Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, put on gloves and eye protection, and lay the dartboard flat so gravity helps. Remove any loose tip pieces with needle nose pliers. Grip as close to the surface as possible and pull straight out to avoid tearing the board. Once a fragment moves, steady the board with your free hand and use short, firm pulls rather than twisting wildly. Make sure to keep fragments contained so they do not scatter into the board fibers. Once visible pieces are gone, address deeply embedded fragments. You can use a pin vise or very small drill to bite into the remaining tip for extraction. Drill slowly to avoid enlarging the hole. Apply a drop of penetrating oil around the pierced area to loosen rusted or stuck metal, then push gently from the rear if accessible. If the tip is ferrous, a magnet often pulls the fragment free. Make sure to clear all bits before closing the hole to prevent future tearing. You finish by trimming any ragged sisal fibers and blowing the area clean with compressed air so new tips seat evenly. Insert replacement tips that match the original size and thread, screw them in finger tight, then give a final slight snug with a tool if needed. Avoid over-torquing. Once done, throw 3 gentle practice darts to confirm proper seating and no fragment shedding. Troubleshooting tip. If a tip stays stuck, apply penetrating oil.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.